For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the idiom cakewalk, which means that something is extremely easy to get done or accomplished. For example, you just got your schedule for the fall semester in the mail, and you and your friends, you're talking, trying to compare schedules to see if you're in each other's classes. And you look at your schedule and you see that you have calculus. Now, what your friends don't know is that you took calculus over the summer at another school, so you know for a fact that you're going to get an A in the class. So you say to your friends, I got calculus. It's going to be a cakewalk, meaning the class is going to be ridiculously easy. You know what? I'm just going to quit cold turkey. I can't do this anymore. Let's go cold turkey on this one. Cold turkey means that you do it quickly, abruptly, suddenly. You're not even thinking about it. You don't hesitate. You just stop. Cold, necessarily planned. It's not something that you work your way up to. It's not something that you stop doing in moderation. You just, boom, instantly, you don't do it anymore. All right, so for today's idiom, we're going to talk about a couch potato. What does it mean when you call someone a couch potato? Well, a couch potato is a person who literally spends all day watching TV on their couch. Allie. And so it's literal, yes. So they're kind of just stuck like a potato. They're not moving. They're not going anywhere. You see, she has her blankets. She's all warm and cozy. She has the snowman hat that says chill. Allie's not going anywhere. She's a total couch potato. It also refers to someone who lacks physical exercise. So they don't get out. They don't really run or engage in a lot of activity, physical movement. So you can call someone a couch potato with that regard. But essentially what you're doing is you're referring to someone as being lazy when you call them a couch potato.